And welcome to Unicorn Activities. This is Darshana and this video is about the language development. So here I'll be covering five different areas which is most important. It is very important because before we expect the child come up with first word level communication, make sure that you're working on all these five aspects. So let's start. So the first one is interaction. Parent need to keep on interacting with the child. This will develop the attention between parent and child. The child will start to learn and observe the parent, and also the bond between parent and child will be developed through interaction only. Second is listening. For developing listening skills, parents need to have a very simple and clear instruction or comments should be given to the child. Make sure you're giving a very simple and clear one-step instruction at the beginning stage and gradually move on to the higher level. So listening is the second topic. Third one is understanding. So when the child listens to your instructions, he starts to process it and he starts to understand it. So whatever simple instruction you are giving, he will listen and he will understand and he will do the task. Understanding. After understanding, there comes the fourth topic, which is called as non-verbal communication, So before coming into the word level communication or verbal communication, we have a non-verbal communication stage where the child start to show communication, start to interact with parents through non-verbal way. That means through pointing out or through gestural language or by pulling your hand to reach out to the object around him. So any kind of communication, but it will be a non-verbal communication, and child will be coming up with his or her point for help or for showing any kind of object. Non-verbal communication or non-verbal language will be developed. And the last and final is our verbal language or verbal communication. Here where you can expect the child to come up with the word level communication to express his or her need, ideas, point of view, whatever we can say. But from this stage onwards, you could see that the child comes with the word level communication. So before the child starts first word, he or she will be starting with the interaction stage, move on to the listening, understanding, non-verbal communication and verbal communication. So these are the five important areas of language development. So parents work on all the five areas to get to a sentence level communication or to a word level communication. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you for following.